Assalomu alaykum. Bu video darsligimizda sizlar bilan Present Perfect Continuous and Present Perfect Simple haqida gaplashamiz. Bu ikkala mavzu haqida alohida videolarimiz ham mavjud. Aynan bu video darsligimiz bu ikkalasini bir-biriga taqqoslagan holda Present Perfect Continuous qanaqa vaziyatda ishlatiladi, Present Perfect Simple qanaqa vaziyatda ishlatilishini ko'rib chiqamiz. Tayyor bo'lsangiz, qani unda boshladik. Compare these two situations. Ikkita holatni bir-biriga taqqoslaymiz. Mana bu yerda keltirilgan ikkita rasm. Bittasi Present Perfect Continuous uchun, ikkinchisi Present Perfect Simple uchun. Umuman olganda Present Perfect Continuous hozirgi tugallangan davomli zamon, Present Perfect Simple hozirgi tugallangan oddiy zamon. Ikkalasini taqqoslaymiz. Mana bu rasmga e'tibor beramiz. Bu yerda bir qiz xonasini bo'yayapti. I have been painting my bedroom. Men xonamni bo'yayotgan edim. There is paint on Kate's clothes. Ya'ni bu yerda buni ismi Kate, mana bu qizning ismi. Qizning kiyimida bo'yoqlar bor. She has been painting her bedroom. U o'zining xonasini bo'yayotgan edi. Has been painting is present perfect. Ya'ni bu yerda has been painting present perfect continuous hisoblanadi. We are thinking of the activity. It does not matter whether it has been finished or not. In this example, the activity painting the bedroom has not been finished. Ya'ni biz gapirayotgan gapda butun bir e'tibor ish harakatga qaratilgan bo'lsa, u tugallanganmi yoki yo'qmi, buning farqi yo'q. Quyida keltirilgan misol bu faqat ish harakatga e'tibor qaratilgan, ya'ni painting the bedroom. Keyingi rasmga o'tamiz. Bu yerda present perfect simple, ya'ni hozirgi tugallangan zamon. Misolga e'tibor bering. I have painted my bedroom. Men yotoqxonamni bo'yadim. Bu yerda e'tibor bering, mana bo'yalgan. Mana bunga qaraganda mana bu bo'yalgan. Natijasi ko'rinib turibdi. The bedroom was green. Ya'ni xona, shu yotoqxonasi yashil edi. Now it's yellow. Hozir u sariq. She has painted her bedroom. U o'zining xonasini bo'yagan. Has painted is the present perfect simple. Ya'ni bu yerda has painted bu present perfect simple hisoblanadi. Here the important thing is that something has been finished. She has painted is the completed action. Ya'ni bu yerda asosiy narsa nimadir, qanaqadir ish harakat tugallangan. Ya'ni mana bu yerda ko'rsatilgan she has painted bu ish harakat, ya'ni u bo'yagan so'zi bu tugallangan ish harakatni ifodalayapti. We are thinking about the result of the activity, the painting bedroom, not the activity itself. Ya'ni bu yerda biz butun bir e'tiborni natijaga qaratyapmiz, faqat ish harakatni o'ziga emas. Qisqacha xulosa beradigan bo'lsak, present perfect continuousda bunda faqat ish harakatga e'tibor qaratilsa, present perfect simpleda esa bu yerda ish harakatga emas, asosan natijaga e'tibor qaratiladi. Compare these examples. Quyidagi misollarni bir-biri bilan taqqoslang. Birinchi jadvalda present perfect continuous uchun berilgan misollar, ikkinchi jadvalda present perfect simple uchun berilgan misollar keltirilgan. Birinchi misol. My hands are very dirty. Meni qo'llarim juda ham kir. I have been repairing my bike. Men velosipedimni sozlayotgan edim. Endi shu present perfectda ifodalansa qanaqa bo'ladi? My bike is okay again now. Meni velosipedim hozir yana yaxshi. I have repaired it. Men uni tuzatdim, sozladim. I have finished repairing it. Endi e'tibor bering. Mana bu yerda butun bir e'tibor ish harakatga qaratilayotgan bo'lsa, mana bunda present perfectda natijaga qaratilyapti. Keyingi misolda Joe has been eating too much recently. He should eat less. Yaqin kunlarda Joe ko'p ovqat yeyapti. U yeyishni kamaytirish kerak. Bu present perfect continuousda berilyapti. Endi present perfect simpleda Somebody has eaten all chocolates. The box is empty. Kimdir barcha shokoladlarni yeb qo'yibdi. Quti bo'm-bo'sh. Bu yerda ish harakatga qaratilyapti. E'tibor. Mana bu yerda natijaga qaratilyapti. Keyingi misolda It's nice to see you again. Yana seni ko'rganimdan xursandman. What have you been doing since we last met? Oxirgi uchrashganimizdan beri nimalar qilyapsan? Present perfectda Where is the book I gave you? Men senga bergan kitob qayerda? What have you done with it? U bilan nima qilding? Uni nima qilding? Present perfect continuous. Keyingi misol Where have you been? Qayerda eding? Have you been playing tennis? Tennis o'ynayotganmiding? Present perfectda Have you ever played tennis? Hech tennis o'ynaganmisan? O'ylaymanki, bularni bir-biridan farqini ajratib oldingiz. We use the continuous to say how long for something that is still happening. Ya'ni biz present perfect continuousni ishlatamiz, ya'ni biror bir ish harakat qachondan beri sodir bo'layotganligini so'rash uchun. Misol uchun, How long have you been reading that book? Ana u kitobni qancha vaqtdan beri o'qiyapsan? Yoki qachondan beri o'qiyapsan? Keyingi misolda Amy is writing emails. Amy email yozyapti. Ya'ni elektron xabarlar yozyapti. She has been writing emails all morning. U ertalabdan beri elektron xabar yozyapti. Keyingi misolda They have been playing tennis since 2 o'clock. Ular soat 2 dan beri tennis o'ynashyapti. Keyingi misolda I'm learning Arabic. Men arab tilini o'rganyapman. But I have not been learning it very long. Ammo men uni uzoq vaqtdan beri o'rganmayapman. Mana bu yerda we use a simple to say how much, how many or how many times for completed actions. Ya'ni present perfect simple biror bir ish harakatning qancha va necha marta takrorlanganligini so'rash uchun ishlatiladi. Mana bu yerda birinchi misolda ko'ramiz. How many pages of that book have you read? Bu kitobni necha varog'ini o'qiding? Keyingi misolda Amy has sent lots of emails this morning. Bugun ertalab Amy ko'p elektron xabarlar jo'natdi. Keyingi misol They have played tennis 3 times this week. Ular bu hafta 3 marta tennis o'ynashdi. Keyingi misolimiz I'm learning Arabic. Men arab tilini o'rganyapman. But I have not learned very much yet. Ammo hali ko'p o'rganmadim. Some verbs, for example no, are not normally used in continuous forms. Bilamizki, ba'zi bir fe'llar continuous zamonda ishlatilmaydi. Ulardan biri know, ya'ni bilmoq. Mana bu yerda birinchi misolda ko'ramiz. I have known about the problem for a long time. Men muammo haqida uzoq vaqtdan beri bilaman. Biz ayta olmaymiz, mana buni continuousga o'zgartira olmaymiz. Know, bilmoq fe'lini ing forma qo'yib. Mana bunaqa. I have been knowing deb ishlata olmaymiz. Keyingi misolda How long have you had that camera? U kamera senda qancha vaqtdan beri bor? Biz ishlata olmaymiz. Have you been having deb mana bunaqa usulda ishlata olmaymiz. But note that we can use want and mean in the present perfect continuous. Have, has been plus ing. Ammo eslatma. Want, mean mana bu fe'llarni present perfect continuousda ishlatsak bo'ladi. Mana bu yerda misolda ko'ramiz. I have been meaning to phone Anna, but I keep forgetting. Men Annaga telefon qilishni nazarda tutaveraman, ammo unutaveraman. Bu video darsligimizda o'rganishimiz kerak bo'lgan asosiy narsalar mana shulardan iborat edi. Kitobning pastki qismiga tushib, exercise, ya'ni mashqlarni bajargan holda olgan bilimlaringizni yanada mustahkamlab olishingiz mumkin. Bizni kuzatishda davom eting. Keyingi video darsliklarda ko'rishguncha